Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you solar integrated hunting camera TC22. No need for dry batteries. No dry battery required. Built-in lithium battery. And trigger speed 0.1 second. And it has Wi-Fi connection with smartphone. It's IP66 waterproof level. Let's see what we have inside. We have the user manual. We have hunting cameras, but this one is differing from them. It has solar power and it has Wi-Fi. Go ahead and take it out. It's USB-C. You can look at the screen. There are two cameras and sensors. Hunting trail camera. Here is the solar panel. Let's open it. It shows all the directions. You don't need to put batteries inside, it's already built in. English. It shows the red, if it's recording or not. It is 8 megapixels. It has SD card and USB-C input, and you can charge it from here. USB-C. Solar panel. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights first. Let's turn it off. Now it's active. If there is movement, you see the light. If there is no movement, there is no light. It is detecting immediately. I'm outside. We have sun right now. Let me go ahead and Look at it, if it's gonna charge or not. As you see, it is charging right now under the sun. Mode, video or picture. Okay, shut it. When you switch it to the on, and it's going down from 5 to 0, and it's gonna be active. Now it's active. It's recording. We are in setup mode right now. The image size 48 megapixels, and shutter speed, you can choose one of them. Mode, photo plus video, sensitivity, PIR, you can choose high, time lapse, let's go to the video, 4K, 2.7K, 2K, 2K, till you can go to 360 at most. Alright, and language, format, all that I will be removed. Password, auto Wi-Fi off. Now it's recording. Probably. Now it's recording. I put the camera there. Let's see if it's gonna record it or not. If something just passed in front of it. Let me go ahead and download the application. There's the application. Alright, now try to connect. Now it's connected. Wi-Fi turned on. Let's go ahead and join. I'm waiting for the connection. Allow. Now it's connected. Awesome. Right now it is 1080p. And when it sees the light, it's just daylight, it's recording like that. And night light, if there is no light, you see. And let's look at the settings. It's photo mode, image size 8 megapixels, daytime is 48, resolution at night, and resolution day, recording time, okay. It's gonna ask up to 3 minutes. and 59 seconds. PIR sensitivity, interval, monitoring period, and that's it. Let's try to record something. Take a picture or recording. Right now it's recording. It's recording. Look at this quality. We have a flashlight. I'm gonna test it out if it's charging or not. Look at the red light there next to battery. Right. Charging. It's charging. It is charging. It shows the temperature 27 Celsius degrees, 80 Fahrenheit, and timestamp, as you see, and date stamp. It shows everything. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.